Have you ever been knee-deep in the exciting world of crypto, ready to send your coins to a friend, only to hit a snag? You scramble to find that all-important wallet address, but your crypto exchange seems like a labyrinth. Fear not, crypto comrades, because today we're tackling a common question: where is my wallet address in Newton? We've all been there. Crypto can be thrilling, but it also comes with a layer of technical jargon and hidden menus. Finding your wallet address shouldn't feel like cracking a code, so let's shed some light on this with a quick and easy guide. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that Newton, like many crypto exchanges, doesn't technically give you a personal wallet. Instead, it acts as a custodian, holding your crypto for you. This means there's no single, permanent address associated with your account. However, there's a catch. When it comes to receiving crypto from an external source, Newton generates unique addresses for each transaction. Think of it like a temporary mailbox assigned specifically for that transfer. So, how do we unearth these elusive addresses? Well, the good news is, it's a breeze. Whether you're a desktop warrior or a mobile maestro, Newton has you covered. Finding your wallet address on Newton Web. Let's conquer the desktop version first. Fire up your favorite browser and head over to your Newton account. Once you're logged in and gazing at your crypto haven, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a delightful button with a downwards arrow. That's your Add Funds gateway. Click on that little gem, and a menu will unfurl like a crypto treasure map. Now, select the thrilling option that says Crypto from Wallet. This is where the magic happens. Here's the twist: the address you seek might not be there just yet. If it's your first time using this specific coin for a deposit, you'll need to generate an address. Don't worry, it's not a complicated ritual. Just look for a button that says Generate Address and give it a click. Voila! Your unique transfer address, along with a snazzy QR code, will appear like a desert mirage on your screen. This is the magical string of characters you'll need to share with whoever is sending you those crypto treats. Finding your wallet address on the Newton mobile app. Conquering crypto on the go? No problem. The Newton mobile app makes finding your address just as simple. Open the app and navigate to the ever-so-important Transfer tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where the crypto movement happens. Once you're there, tap the option that says Crypto from Wallet. See a pattern here? Just like on the desktop version, you might need to generate an address if it's your first rodeo with that particular coin. Look for the Generate Address button and give it a tap. Bingo! Your unique transfer address and QR code will be displayed, ready to be copied and shared. A few pointers before you blast off. Now that you're a master of unearthing Newton's wallet addresses, there are a couple of crucial things to remember. These addresses are unique to each transaction. Don't reuse an old one, always generate a fresh address for every incoming transfer. Double, triple, quadruple check the address before sharing it. A typo in the crypto world is a recipe for disaster. Once you send those coins, they're gone. Finally, make sure the network you choose for the transfer matches the one your friend is using. Mixing networks is a surefire way to lose your crypto into the crypto abyss. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and safe crypto adventures.